Meeting the tailors who dress kings. So the 39A is coming, we can get on this one, right, city bus.
Apparently we can pay cash.
So it was 300 fil each, and we got even one, and we got to change a quarter of a dinar. I've never seen a note like that before, a quarter, which is 250 fil, and then these little ones are 50 each. So yeah, 600. Cost 600, 400 change. We're on the way into town.
Excellent. Now, how many stops do you know?
About 12 stops, I think. You can find it on Google Maps. If you put your start and your finish destination, Google Maps will show you what bus is going. You know, it's really a great resource to use. Bus is quite a bit basic. There's like the seat's broken in front of us, but we're getting there.
Yeah, I think it's quite comfortable.
That's it, the bus dropped us off downtown, really good ride. We're near Souk Mubarakia now, which we're going to head over to. It opens at about 4 PM and it comes alive. This is like the traditional old part of the city. And it's really interesting, like the city's like a mixture with modern, new skyscrapers and a lot of old sort of run down, broken down buildings. So really interesting contrast.
This is the eastern entrance to the souk, and oh, it looks so lovely. Can't wait to go and have a look.
Not quite sure what this bit is in the middle of the souk, but it looks like an old town square or something like that, and it's a central part. Everyone's sitting around on the benches, really nice. Got this lovely old building behind me with the Kuwaiti flag on top.
And the
we'll
red
have to find out what it is. Yeah, the red flag next to it is the old Kuwait flag from the British Protectorate times, I believe. It says Kuwait on it. We'll see if we can see it unfurled.
We had a great time exploring the two mini museums in the souk. Upstairs is the Sheikh Mubarak kiosk with loads of information and photos. And then downstairs is the museum of the first Islamic pharmacy in Kuwait. So if you do have time and they're open, it's well worth a visit, especially as they're both free to enter.
Everything was still a little bit closed.
So interesting, such a lovely small museum. So interesting, this side is like the perfume souk. And just over on the other side there is the exchange souk. Coming into a perfume and essence shop. In the perfume shop, oils and wonderful looking perfumes. Wow, they're like burners. And then when you look at these are the actual like ingredients, like the wood, the bark. Prices are like incredible. Like 12 Kuwaiti dinar for like 12 grams. 25, the most expensive, is incredibly expensive. But it's just something that's very popular here. Well thought of. And it smells amazing. This is so wonderful. We've had permission to come inside here. And this is like sort of where the men gather. And this is the home of like Dalmud champions. Dalmud is a game I think similar to drafts. It's incredibly popular here.
Invasion.
Yes.
Okay? You will advance. Also, if there is chance to invasion me, you will invasion.
Yeah.
You will cross my soldier.
Yeah.
Okay? And to come here, then they will call your htoba. We call it this htoba. Okay? Yeah. When you like goal in the football.
Yes.
When you arrive here, become like football goal. Okay?
Oh.
Yeah. And this goal, this htoba, become sheikh. Prince. Yeah.
Like the master.
This one here, you will moving step by step.
One square.
One.
Yeah, one, okay? But when you see for example, like that.
انت لما تعرف تلعب
You cannot cross. You have to. There is a space. If no space, you cannot
You
cross.
cannot go across.
Okay?
Yeah.
And now start to play. See, one by one. You cannot eat my.
Okay.
Then next
I really don't know what I'm
here
doing
like
here.
that.
Oh, you can go sideways.
Okay.
Yeah.
When I give now play any play.
Okay. What
No.
happens
Now I will eat.
Okay.
I will eat
Because
two.
there is a
Two.
1, 2. Right. I've
Okay.
got you. Yeah.
You have. You will lose two.
Yeah.
When you give me like that.
Yeah.
See. You lose two.
Now I'm getting it. Yeah. Already?
You lose two. Okay. You have
Okay.
to not lose. Have a seat, please.
If he
Fascinating.
Yes.
say, eat this, you must eat.
I must eat it. Yeah.
Now he becomes sheikh.
Yeah.
Okay. This sheikh, he will moving not step by step. No. Triangle and. Triangle and.
Like the queen in chess. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I'm so glad I didn't have to play a competitive game of that because I would have been absolutely destroyed. I'm like, yeah, I understand. They lost me.
But wow, the Damer, what an amazing game. So apparently this is what they used to play here, like way before football was popular, and this is the traditional game of the region. This is so wonderful. We have two different types of tea. We have lumi, which is made from a...
Dried small lemon.
And then the other tea is cinnamon, and the flavour, like, I don't know, this is incredible. Wow, it's like so rich, and so it's amazing. One of the nicest things I think I've ever tasted. Intense flavour. It's wonderful. So this is the fruit itself.
Yeah.
It is called...
Lamb.
Salam.
Lumi. Yeah.
Rumi,
Yeah.
Sahari,
Lumi
it's a
Sahari.
province in Oman. Sahar is a province.
Wonderful. So is it like a lemon that has been peeled, or a different type of lemon?
Boiled.
What with water?
Boiled.
Yeah.
Wow, and it's just the
And
flavour.
You take off the.
skin.
اللي داخل.
The peel.
Not the skin.
Peel.
Yes.
Yes.
Inside there is peel. You will take off because giving sour.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just this one, you will cook it by water and become like that color.
Wow.
Amazing.
It's a flavour
seen that
explosion,
before. Yeah.
taste explosion. Yeah, it's incredible.
Wonderful. Thank you for introducing us to it. This is wonderful. It's an old traditional game, but it's being kept alive in these places.
And look-
You can even play it online now. There's an application where you can play online.
Wow.
That's
You
fantastic.
can't play with another player in Turkish maybe.
So is
Okay,
it
online, and you can play with computer.
is it becoming more popular with younger people now that you can do this?
Also, the young people now we teach. I'm teaching my son and
Yeah.
my relative,
That's
the
good.
smallest one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It keeps the game alive.
Yeah, when they come here, also we will give them هدية, gift
Yeah.
for the child.
to play at
Yeah,
home.
to come here and to
Yeah.
in the champion because they nothing for
Yeah.
them,
Yeah.
but we're giving gift to love this
That's
game.
great.
It is so
And
wonderful.
that helps the future generations, more champions. Teach the youth. Yeah. And they tell us that the government provide the money for this place, for the tea, for the tea boy, for everything, so people can come here. It doesn't cost them a penny, and play in the evenings.
Wow, so many sweets here, and we're coming down a different section now. This is the meat section, butcher section. And there's like lots of bits. So wonderful. This is the fruit section. Pomegranates and your figs and... Oh wow, these are like a kiwi fruit, but there's no fur. I don't think it is a kiwi fruit. So wonderful. There's strawberries, and I think that is turmeric. Little berries and lychees and custard apples, I'm not too sure. It's amazing.
They're pressed into it like a square like that.
This now is the date market.
This is class.
Class.
Yes,
Yeah.
أحسن. This is from Medina.
Wow.
Verdi. This is Mabroom from Medina.
Wow.
This is Syria.
Syrian. Yeah.
Syria. The name of the dates.
Okay.
Turkey from Qasim.
Qasim.
Yes,
Oh, wow.
Turkey.
Yeah.
That's عجوة.
Oh wow, there's even more.
هذا عجوة.
هذا عجوة
كم؟
4 دينار بشهر 5 زبق 4
ايه. وهذا مجدول ها؟
هذا مجدول هذا 4 هذا 5
ايه.
So cool.
Yeah. So good.
Many kinds of dates.
From everywhere. Yeah.
Brilliant.
ويلكم
Oh, thank you. That's
Oh,
very
that is-
nice.
مجدول
Majul.
Ah.
Majul.
Kuwait.
Thank you.
Kuwait.
No, not This is
جردن
Jordan. Oh, wow.
هذا كل امريكي الجنب كله يشتري من هذا مجدول هو عربي
What do you think?
Delicious.
They are really good.
Khalid has told us when he was a child this was all dates, date soup. Now there are other things as well, but still the selection and the variety of dates
هذا
is
خضري مدينة.
incredible.
Right? From Medina.
خضري. This is خضري called خضري. Take one.
Oh, thank you.
That's right.
And this is صقعي. هذا من وين؟ هذا مدينة. هذا بعد.
So different.
مدينة. هذا مدينة.
It's a bit firmer. Really nice. Chewy.
عطنا 3. هذا أنا الصقعي باكل.
I'm going to have so much fun trying dates non-stop for the next month.
This is صقعي. Called صقعي.
Okay.
Taste it, please.
Oh, wow.
Let's
So,
compare.
Thank you.
Oh, wow. Again, they're all got a slightly different texture, haven't they? Jordan.
Amazing.
Incredible.
Oh, wow, so they even press them and just such
Together like
Yes.
so lovely.
We call this makbous.
Makbous.
Spend a long time.
Ah, that's
Wow.
wonderful.
That's so good.
It's so lovely. Thank you. So, yeah.
From England. Yes. And from New Zealand. Yes.
Yes. Nice to meet you too.
Yes.
What's the word?
Pomegranate molasses.
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 Yes. This is dates molasses.
Oh wow, date molasses.
I bet that's sweet.
It just doesn't move. It's incredible. It's so
Because of
solid.
cold.
Ah.
Yeah.
Wow, so many different herbs and spices. And here they are amazing lemons, dried lemons to make that incredible drink. Wow, and different types of pickles and olives. Look at the size. Look, look, thank you very much, thank you. Mixed with sweets, and over here you've got more fruit and veg. So now we've walked through to a different section. Oh my word, look at it, beautiful. Lovely outdoor eating place.
Okay, so what is
And this is
called
the
again?
it's a dried yogurt.
Yogurt. Okay. Yogurt biscuit. Here, Mandy, do you want to just try a piece?
Oh wow,
Very dry, isn't it?
it's delicious.
Yeah.
Oh my word, I really like that.
It's a bit,
Slightly tangy,
yeah, it's got a bit of salty aftertaste to it as well. I
amazing.
wasn't expecting that.
These lovely restaurants around here, and oh wow, beautiful. Oh wow, here are the very heavy robes made from, I'm not too sure, wool, etc. for the cold weather.
This is for women.
Farawa. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Just goes to show how cold it must get here, you know? These are really thick, warm. That's amazing.
Wow.
Yeah.
They're lovely. This place really is like a veritable maze. We're coming to a different section now.
It just keeps going on and on.
It's enormous.
Bishts.
After maybe 12 years ago.
12 years ago.
Years ago.
Did he buy a bisht? Yes.
بعدين انا من جاي زياره
So wonderful.
في بيت السدو. طبعا اثر ممنوع الكلام مع الضيف وهذا. لما جيت مشى انا اتلقى انا اعرفهم كلهم الموظفين
enough for a prince, for a king.
Hello my friend على طول.
So wonderful.
Maybe try the best. يقول ها نو بروبلم قاعد يسوي كان يقول له هذا ترى بالعربي هديه بالدرجه الاولى من بلد الكويت لكن بالدرجه الثانيه ترى من عندي انا from me الدرجه from me first one from my city Kuwait and second from me هذا هنا الشيخ الطاف سالم العلي يقول ابو سالم ايش سويت؟ صرت احسن من عندنا هديته بس
He gave him a bisht.
Yes.
As a gift.
As a gift.
Yes.
Ah, that's so wonderful. Yeah.
When he was visiting Sadu House.
Yeah. Ah, he
It's
came
forbidden,
into the shop.
It's forbidden to speak with him.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
he knows some people there, guards, and he gave him the bisht.
المطلب العربي
Meeting the tailors who dress kings.
مع وزير خارجية طنجة. أقول المغرب. أخذت الصورة هاتها يقول بصورها قلت له صور كان يقول عاد أخذ الصورة.
Amazing. Is it a shop? Is it a cafe?
Beautiful.
Wow.
Wow, some of these are luxury indeed. Now we're back out. Yep, a different area. Like, I'd be so disoriented if it wasn't for Khalid. I've got absolutely no idea where we're going.
Yeah. Feels like it's round in circles, but everywhere's different.
حق الطاولة for a table.
For a table. Oh yeah, tabletop. Yeah.
كبير في
It's amazing. We've come out of the souk. We're back to where we started by the McDonald's down there. An incredible circle. Wow, bright lights of Kuwait City at night. This is amazing. This is
Faluda.
Faluda.
Yeah.
I will get it one day.
It's
and
made from a plant. And this flavour is pomegranate and cherry.
ايس كريم هذا صيد مانجا حليب كاكاو
I like that.
ثلاثة أبي كل واحد في
Wow.
This is rose water. Rose water and saffron.
saffron. And
Cherry.
this is cherry and pomegranate, and this is kiwi.
Kiwi.
At the end.
And it originates
Wow.
from Iran, apparently, originally.
Yes.
It's popular here, and we're going to have some.
So,
لا خلها طبيعي.
No sauce.
what sauces are there?
lemon sauce. What sauce you?
Thank you.
شنو نوع الصلصة اللي عندك؟ ليمون، رمان، زعفران.
This is just so wonderful. So many delicious things and other sweets as well. Wow. I love it. I love it when someone brings you to like a place that you would never have discovered on your own.
Is it a good business?
This is